Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, do you guys want to learn how to make this DIY fidget toy? Well, I'll be showing you this fidget toy, a tutorial on it in this video. So let's get on to it. Okay guys, now we're moving on to it. Now let's get started. So first, you're gonna need the little hooker thingies for like a rubber band bracelet, and obviously you're gonna need rubber bands. And then lastly, you will need a pipe cleaner, any pipe cleaner of your choice. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist like that, and then you're gonna go like that and keep on repeating the process. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, it's pretty annoying. I think so. One of my family members just got in the shower, and it's really annoying because it is nighttime, guys. So I get ready. People get into the shower at this time. I'm almost done with my rubber band masterpiece. They're just seeing my hand go down, like reaching for it, like, please give me it. I grabbed a few so that you don't have to see my hand forever and ever and ever and ever on this video. I'll tell you, I think, I'll show you the right amount you should have of the rubber band. I'm almost at the right amount. Okay guys, I think that's probably good enough where I'm at. Just clear the rubber bands out of the way. So what you're gonna do next is grab from this finger and put it onto this finger. Grab a clasp. It can either be this clasp or this clasp. But I'm using this clasp right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna attach it. Guys, actually you'll need the clasp I'm using for this DIY fidget toy. So since you got this side, you're going to need to do the same to the other side. So see these two purple things? I'm going to place them together. Place them beside each other if that makes any sense. If I make any sense there. To where it's like you're holding it. Then put it over top of your fingers. It may not be a purple part for you, because like everybody's is gonna be different. So there is what you need so far. Now you're gonna grab the pipe cleaner, then slide on with one of the clasps. Now grab the other clasp on the other side and grab the other side of the pipe cleaner to where you have it like this. And what you're going to do to the ends is you're going to kind of go like that to both ends. Like so. Then there you go, you're done. You can slide the rubber band. And you can go like the bracelet thing you made, or you can go. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.